With Black Friday rapidly approaching, just saying, you might feel like you're in a little bit of a race right now. You need to get things ready, you have holiday work to take care of, you actually want to have kind of a vacation at the end of this year, and you also need to crank out something for Black Friday. The pressure is real. Wait. Just hold up a sec because it might actually be a little bit easier than you're making it. If you're feeling like you need to create your Black Friday offer completely from scratch, I'm here to tell you why that might not be the best idea and how you already probably have something just waiting to be sold for Black Friday that you don't even have to create. Hi, I'm Christina, and I like to watch YouTube videos and smash that like button. And if you're like me and you like to sell digital download products, then you're in the right spot. If you're thinking about creating a new product for Black Friday, here's why that might not be such a great idea and why something that you already have is a better fit instead. Creating a new product takes time to market and research and even educate that audience that you're trying to serve about what new products are available. So you're going to be doing a lot of education about the fact that you have a Black Friday sale. And then on top of it, you're going to be forced to educate them about the new products that are available during your Black Friday sale. This is why I am not a fan of launching new products during Black Friday. It's actually one of the worst times that you can be introducing new products to your audience if you're not doing it the right way, especially if this is one of your first Black Friday sales. So what are you going to do if you want to participate in Black Friday, but you don't have a product yet? Well, the first thing that you can do is look at your services. And instead of putting those on sale, because you don't want to devalue the cost of your work and how much time and effort and even experience goes into the services you provide, why don't we take a look at the things that are complementary to those services? Basically, when it comes to Black Friday and your services, you want to see what you can pull out first, either through the collateral that you've created in serving your clients or any kind of online course that you have forthcoming or that you've already launched, and just looking at what kind of assets are available there first. Sometimes if you put your services on sale, and I know this from experience, you can end up feeling resentful as you deliver on those services that were purchased at a discounted rate. And if you don't believe me, try it out. You'll know exactly what I mean. If your coaching is $1,000 per regular package and you put it on sale for $800 as you are delivering coaching to those clients that purchased it on sale, you might just feel a little tinge of regret or even a little bit of like resentment towards that client. And it's not their fault. It's really your fault for putting it on sale when it shouldn't have been on sale. Or maybe you should have put it on sale in a little bit of a more creative way, such as offering a little bit of an extra to that session, or maybe access to a course that they wouldn't have otherwise had access to through just buying that service without a Black Friday deal attached. Something else to think about if you already have some products is a bundle. Would you consider bundling up 2 or 3 of your best-selling products into one thing and then offering that at a discount? So this is a good way to increase your average order value, aka how much people are spending in your store during Black Friday, and they're usually more willing to spend more when the discount is significant. So they are okay with spending $200 where they would have otherwise have just have bought something on sale, maybe spent $100. But now with this bundle, they're going to be purchasing a higher value of products. So you're making more money, and on the back end, they're getting more value for what they've used their money towards, which is a few more products thrown into that bundle than they would have received had they just bought this during a normal month-to-month sale period. And this works at all levels. So something else you might consider is that if you do have any kind of course, you could pull one module out and sell it as a mini course on its own. You could also do this if you have any kind of guide or workbook. You can pull just a page or two out and sell that as a worksheet for a lower ticket offer that gets people in the door and buying, so that you know that they are interested in purchasing from you either throughout the sale or in the future. Another way to profit from Black Friday without doing much extra work is to bump your prices up in the weeks leading up to Black Friday, aka right now. If you do this too close to the sale start date, people are going to notice and they're going to say this isn't really a sale. You just bumped your prices up so that you could put it on sale back to the price it was prior to the Black Friday sale. They're really smart and keen in this way, especially your biggest fans, and you don't want to do that to them. So make sure you're increasing your prices as early as possible if you do have a product or two that you can put up for sale, and you want to make sure that you're getting enough money to make it worth your while to host the sale. And then finally, another fun opportunity for you to sell something is to do a flash sale of products that aren't available throughout the rest of the year. And an easy way to do this is to take your business logo or a favorite saying that you say all the time on your live streams or with your clients and turn that into a physical product that gets shipped right to the customer. For example, this was a gift from my financial planning firm, Rooted, and these are little bandanas for my dog's necks that I can take little pictures on and put on Instagram. But if they had some kind of cool saying, or like if your brand is just kind of up and coming, it can be really fun to put this on a mug or a dog bandana or a poster or a Apple Watch band or maybe a notepad. There's lots of different ideas for swag that you can sell and drop ship right to your would-be customers and your potential clients. For example, again, this is Rooted. They just give really good gifts, and it says Dream Plan Achieve, and it's this beautiful notepad and paper inside. And so this is something that I could have put up for sale if I was them and working in their group. I could put this up for sale for Black Friday. So even though I don't have any products per se, I could easily and quickly make something like this and have it available for sale, and it would get drop shipped right from the manufacturer. So if you need any hints on where to go get this drop shipped, let me know in the comments if that would be helpful. Maybe I can do a future video on products on demand. Pod is what it's called, when they ship something out that has someone's logo or design or just kind of saying on it. Basically, just another way for you to be selling products without any extra work, because you probably already have a beautiful logo and a PNG file for your business that you can put on some mugs, t-shirts, etc., and have shipped out as people purchase it. And there's so many people out there that would love to identify with your brand, especially if it is a status symbol to work with you or to work with someone in the type of field that you're in. Your Black Friday sale doesn't have to be complicated. Even if you don't have any digital download products to speak of right now, you actually probably do. And there's lots of other options for you to present to your customers this Black Friday to make that cash injection a thing in your business. And if you want even more strategy behind how to do this, the video that just popped up on your screen is how my shop made over $112,000 last Black Friday. So I break down the 3-part strategy that I always go through in all the years I've been running Black Friday sales, and I will see you there. Take care, everyone.